Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Trending Tech. So today we are going to discuss about a new phone of Motorola that is going to be released. It is not available yet. That is Motorola G9 Power. It is a true successor of Motorola G8 Power, which was released last year, and last month Motorola has also released G9 Play. And so in the Motorola G9 Power, we are getting a improved primary camera with a big battery and bigger display in comparison with G8 Power that is released last year, which is same series phone of Motorola. So let's discuss about the specification that Motorola are giving in this Motorola G9 Power. So first we see that it have 221 gram weight, so it is more than 200 gram, so it is heavy weighted phone. If we talk about its display, you will get 6.8 inch IPS LCD HD plus display. And about this processor, you will get Qualcomm Snapdragon 662, and you will get 4 GB RAM with 128 GB internal storage support. And the main feature is about battery. Motorola is focusing on battery in this phone, Motorola G9 Power. It have a big battery of 6000 mAh with 20 watt fast charger inside the box. So let's see about its camera. It have a 3 camera setup with primary camera of 64 megapixel, quad pixel with 1.79 aperture, secondary camera of 2 megapixel macro, and third camera of 2 megapixel bokeh. So it have a 2 megapixel bokeh effect, which means if you recording or shooting a video, then the main subject will be focused and the other extra background thing will be blurred. That is the main effect of bokeh mode. So if we talk about its front camera, you will get 16 megapixel front camera with 2.0 aperture, and for charging you will get Type-C port with 3.5 mm headphone jack for earphone. And connectivity, it is a 4G phone with support of Bluetooth 5.0. and for fingerprint, you will get side mounted fingerprint in this phone, and it is for software you are getting Android 10. And in color, it is coming with two color. First is metallic sage and second is electronic violet. So till now it is not available in India, but there is a chance it will available in India in coming month. So let's see what Motorola is giving in this upcoming phone of Motorola G9 Power.